history and culture, henna, patterns, and celebration hands. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Jaipur, India, lived a kind-hearted girl named Meena. On Thursdays, the marketplace would transform into a beautiful spectacle as people gathered to celebrate Haldi Kumkum. Meena spent her mornings helping her grandmother prepare the henna paste using natural ingredients like turmeric and indigo. With deft hands, they mixed the concoction, ensuring the perfect consistency for intricate patterns. As the sun reached its zenith, Meena and her grandmother adorned their hands with delicate patterns. The air was filled with laughter as they shared stories about the ancient traditions of Haldi Kumkum. Friends from all around the city would gather at Meena's home to have their own beautiful designs inked onto their hands. The room was filled with laughter, shared stories, and a sense of unity. Once everyone was adorned with their unique patterns, they ventured out into the city to join the rest of the celebrations. The streets were filled with color, laughter, and a shared sense of tradition. As they joined the Haldi Kumkum festivities, Meena felt a sense of pride in her culture and tradition. The day was filled with dancing, singing, and the sharing of stories passed down through generations. As night fell, Meena looked at her own hands, adorned with intricate patterns. She felt a sense of peace and happiness, knowing that she had shared this beautiful tradition with her friends and carried on a rich cultural legacy. As she drifted off to sleep, Meena couldn't wait for the next Haldi Kumkum celebration. She knew that it would be just as beautiful, vibrant, and filled with love as the one she had just experienced. The next day, Meena woke up early, eager to begin preparations for the next Haldi Kumkum festival. She knew that every detail would have to be perfect, as this was a tradition they cherished deeply. With her grandmother's guidance, Meena worked tirelessly to ensure that everything was ready. Her friends helped too, eager to contribute to their shared tradition. On the day of the festival, the marketplace was filled with color, laughter, and shared stories. Meena looked around at her friends and felt a sense of pride, knowing that they were all part of this rich cultural legacy. The festival was a beautiful reminder of the importance of tradition, culture, and unity. Meena felt grateful for this opportunity to learn about her heritage and share it with others. She knew that this was a story she would remember forever.